Hello friends, imagine how an old and scrapped bus can be transformed into a modern living space. This is where this journey begins. The first step will be to save the bus from its ruined appearance. So the ruined bus is painted beautifully. After all the old seats, windows and floor coverings have been removed, the place is being prepared for rebirth. A new living space is starting to take shape. Keep working, strong wooden floors are being laid, insulation is being added, and modern materials are being installed. There's a lot of work waiting inside to make this a luxury caravan. There is no life without water. Here is one of the most important details of the caravan. The tap that will provide water flow in the kitchen is placed. First, the connections are made, then the tap is carefully installed. A water source is essential for a hygienic living space. This small touch not only increases the comfort of the caravan, but also gives it a professional home atmosphere. Of course, nothing is complete without infrastructure preparation. Water tank connections and systems that regulate water flow are checked and a safe and durable structure is created. This system includes all the necessary details for continuous and healthy use of water in the caravan. Now, the necessities of modern life come into play. Water systems are installed, cables are pulled, and a heater is added for the bathroom. In this way, both comfort is provided and you can take a hot shower whenever you want in the bus. Now comes the important step for the construction of the caravan room. First, wooden planks are placed vertically and carefully nailed to form the walls of the room. Each plank is carefully fixed to make the room strong and durable, thus giving the interior of the caravan a more structural form. Once this solid frame is created, it is time to fill the spaces between the walls with insulation. A special wool-like material is placed between the planks, thus protecting the interior of the caravan from hot and cold weather conditions. All surfaces of the caravan are covered with these durable boards. Every area from the walls to the ceiling and even the floor is carefully covered, creating a warm and natural atmosphere in the interior. Each panel is carefully placed and nailed in place, thus achieving a solid structure. Now we come to the artistic part. With wall coverings, flooring and furniture, the bus takes on a brand new air. Here is a completely renovated caravan. An old bus has now come to life as a modern living space. Incredible!